Everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a tutorial how to create gorgeous salon quality gel nails even at home. I'll be showing you exactly how to prepare your nails, apply the builder gel, and get that perfect, smooth finish that lasts for weeks. So, grab your nail kit, hit that like button, and let's get started. Removing the old gel layer to prepare the nails. Gently buffing the nail surface to smooth it out and prepare for the next step. Cleaning the cuticle.
Yeah, my eyes are open wide. So you want me to set you free? Take a walk with me outside. Tell me everything about you. Yeah, 'cause I really wanna know. You can ride with me forever. Yeah, anywhere you wanna go.
Shaping the nails into the specific form selected by the client.
Few brave stars, I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all. Just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'll show when let's go for gold.
Applying a thin layer of rubber base to create a flexible foundation for the manicure.
If we ever was lost before,
coating the nails with the chosen gel color.
Won't deny how so in love. Let's go for gold. Yeah, yeah. Let's go for gold. So let's fly into a dream. I won't deny how so in love. Let's go for gold. Yeah.
Perfecting the gel application near the cuticle using a fine, precision brush.
In the crowd, in the club, at the bar, yo, what's up? I saw you cross the room, yeah, glowing in the moonlight. I don't know where you've been, but I'm glad that you're here. Gonna take you by the hand and lead you to the dance floor. Girl, it's our time, just you and I. Don't run, don't hide. No, I'll do it right. We got all night. I'll take you so high. Yeah. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Love you. And baby, you're my muse. I wanna see you move. And baby, let me love you. Love you. Love you, yeah. Love you, yeah. Love you, yeah. Come on, girl. Yeah, I've loved you so long. Gave my heart, gave my soul. We shared our hopes and dreams, yeah. You were my everything, and I don't have to change. We can make it through the rain. I wanna feel you close. Tonight I'm letting go, 'cause girl, it's our time, just you and I. Don't run, don't hide, no. I'll do it right. We've got all night. I'll take you so high. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Baby, you're my muse. I wanna see you move. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Baby, you're my muse. I wanna see you move. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Love you, yeah.
Adding a nail sticker chosen by the client to enhance the design.
Yeah. Love you, yeah. Love you, yeah. Love you, yeah. Girl, it's our time, just you and I. Don't run, don't hide.
Sealing the nails with a layer of top gel for a glossy, long-lasting finish.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been thinking it
And just like that, with an extra touch of dry oil at the cuticle area, the transformation is complete. If you watched the video until the end, you are a legend. If you found it useful or entertaining, please like and consider subscribe for future videos to come. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.